Okay, here we go. Hello, everybody. It's me, Bobby D. Welcome to Mount Holly at Lakeside Raceway. Friday afternoon, getting a jump on it on vacation. So I got the house to myself. Been doing a little pre-testing, as you know. Mailed some goodies away to Brandon this morning. It's all good. Man, I was down to Kroger the other day, and this giant dump bin. It's got 2, 3. I mean, it holds many cases, but there's several layers of cases in there. So I was able to get variations of the exact same casting that were maybe issued a month or 2 or 3 apart, all in this giant dump bin. So, got this lightning bug. This is my second run on this one. But this isn't the original. Called lightning bug for a reason. So, pick me up a lightning bug, a real lightning bug. Look at oh man, it's gonna glow in the dark, you know. First edition. And these two fairly new Vipers. I was going to try 2 different graphites or treatments today. I did it the other day. I couldn't wait. You know me, I have no patience at all. But it was a good thing because that stuff was crap. Oh my God, it was so bad. Okay, now instead of lightning round today, we're going to do pit road. Boom. 4 NASCARs, we're going to test those bad boys. And then for the main event, a couple of mainline imports. Just a little tease, Okay, let's crack these plastics, check those wheels. Okay, let's look at these Vipers first. Wow. For Hot Wheels, come on. These are both really nice. How they spin. Yeah. It's a sharp ride. It's great looking casting. I love those wheels. Oh. This purple's sweet too. $34.23. $34.09. I think the purple is just a hair rounder. Oh boy. Yeah, I think the glow in the dark one's a little rounder. Yeah. 34.87. I don't think I can do anything for those wheels. Oh, there's a bumblebee or 2. Well, let's rack them up and roll them. So I got the lightning bugs in the rack. Like the glow in the dark one. Some nice wheels. Yeah, I thought so. Not bad out of the package. So glow in the dark rolled to 2014. Not too shabby. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, gappage. 2013 on this side. Nice. What a good looking pair of cars. Man, I always liked the Viper since the first time I saw one. Holy crap. Purple with the round wheels. Gets the edge, 2055. Ooh. Purple with the edge, swapping lanes. Ready, set. Yeah, purple. I'll get on this side. 2048. It's glow in the dark lightning bug. I had a feeling about him. It's gonna be this white stuff right here. His body's not fixed real well. If I ever see another one of these, I'm gonna buy it. Maybe it'll be put together a little bit better. 3485. Oh, pretty good time. Okay. NASCAR pit road. A couple of favorites. A couple wannabes. So, Bobby Allison. Let's take a look at this. Yep. See all this. His body, his rivets aren't tight enough. That's why he didn't make the first cut. Yep. Here's a little Peggy. 51. Bell South Monte Carlo. I like that green. I like it a lot. Yeah. 4093. $35.76 for the Ford. Yeah, I don't like these Tauruses / Sables. A little on the light side. Okay, then there's the Huffman Racer. I like those wheels. China. Yeah. What a pedigree. Okay. NASCAR on the drag strip. I'm going to roll these two against each other first. Pontiac on the outside, Ford on the inside. Ready, set, go. Oh, look at that Ford go. Wow. Apparently Huffman's got a bum left front wheel. Slowed him down a little bit. Wish I'd known that earlier. I don't think graphite's going to help it either. It's got some weird ticking. Okay, so Huffman Racer's out. Let's check out this Bell South. The Monte Carlo on the outside. Ready, set, go. Yeah, Monte Carlo. 82 to 89. Swapping lanes, 82 to 89. Come on, Monty. Smooth. 84 to 86. Okay. He had a little bit of funny left front wheel. I think I fixed it. Come on, Bobby. Burn rubber. Fast. 73 to 79. So I made an adjustment to the track and it's running about 0.010 slower. Not quite sure what happened, but the cars are running good. 70 to 79. I think 70 is wheel fast, but we'll find out later. In the bonus with those other tryouts over there. So, main event. Ooh, 2 antique shop specials. Oh, this Jaguar came from Holly at Holly Antiques. 2001. I've always loved this casting, but I've never seen this one. The wheels really caught my eyes. And this moon eclipse thing going on. Yeah. Eclipse racing. Oh, look at those bad boys. Two-Bit says they're tight. Oh, okay. I can work with the fronts maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This one was $6. I could not believe it. Wife was mad. I got another. You know what? $6. I don't care. Oh yeah. No brainer. I mean, I like the 5 spokes a little better, but as long as their axles are stable, yes. Crap. Not so much back and forth. Not as round as a Jag. Jag doesn't have a wheel touching. Look at that. Look at that right there. It's not rolling. Rolling on 3 wheels. What the hell? Well, we got to roll them naked. You know, let's look at this. Oh. Can't expect a lot for $6. Okay. Let's roll it while it's where it's supposed to be. F40 on the outs. D-type on the ends. Ready, set, go. Oh, what a race. Look at that 40 go. What the hell? Man. 2080. Woof. Okay, we're back from Speed Shop. I couldn't take it. That was just abysmal. Wheels are super tight. I could only do anything with the fronts. I didn't dare do anything with the rears. Whitey got a full load of gratuitous preliminary graphite. Well, they both got much faster. Still not close to the boot though. 96 to 94. Who got that 94? That was a D. Yes, it was. Oh, nice. It's It's rolling pretty good. I had the black ISO's front axles. They were humming, but I couldn't get any graphite in there at all. So I used a little carrier. Yes, sir. Chunk. 88. Okay. 88. Well, that's the end of the rips and races. I've already been to the speed shop. Everything I'm going to test has already been graphited. So I'm going to take a little smoke break and then we'll do that bonuses. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if any of these cars place. Start with a hybrid box. And he had worked his way down to gatekeeper. He just needed another rework. So let's go over here to the hybrid box, and he was here. Let's roll him against this GT40. Okay, ready, set, go. Yeah, take that GT40. Oh, I don't know. I think this is pushing it. Okay, ambulance. Did not get a good start. 1991. Swapping lanes. Ready, set. Well, something's up with the ambulance. We'll put him right there. Put the ambulance down here because he needs a rework. Okay, lightning bug. Water and power. I think water and power is naked also. Can't do it. How far is it off? 0.5. Well, let's try swapping lanes. Swapping lanes with a lightning bug. Yeah, no. Okay. Oh, Van rolled a good time. Matter of fact, fire reader. This should be a stopper. Good race. Oh, yep. See, that's where he goes. Plastic. This one. Let's go over here to Kellogg's. Corn flakes. My Carlo. Okay. Pro Racing Basic. Ready, set, go. Good race. 83 to 85. Tight. I think that's a swap. I don't remember. Pretty darn close. 86 to 88. Yep, 2 points. So he goes right. Oh, can he take? Oh. Ultra hot. Oh, that was a bad start. Let's try that again. Nice and smooth. Okay, nice and smooth. Yeah. That Mustang's slowing down. One notch up to the blue Scion XB. Super fast. Takes him too. Whoa. I'm beginning to think cornflakes is out of place. Oh, here's that Thunderbird I was talking about. Counterpoint to the, yeah, Matchbox, Thailand. Gold rims. Balls. 95, 85. Up 2 rows. There's the race. Yeah. Okay, so that's way up here at the top. Right there. Cool. Nope, that's plastic. This little 80B Tomica is 51 grams. Hadn't been able to roll because the track wasn't flat enough. Oh, it's flatter now. Pulled some of those hold down weights out of the track last week. It's rolling a little slower. I'm not sure why. Should be faster. More stable. It's definitely more stable. Nope. Not stable enough. 71. Freaking ambulance knocked the door off. Oh no. Yeah. Success. It just doesn't. Well, it shouldn't open anymore. I'm going to have to tape that. Okay, he's back. Who wants to roll against him? Let's start with this guy. I don't think he's got a chance, but there's a slim one. He's rolling really well. Okay. Both sides rolling 71. Yeah, we get this time. 69. Good time. So that's a boot time, 2007. Who do we want to roll? Let's roll him against the Fair Lady from baseline. Already set. Oh, Modern Classics with a whooping. Yeah, no. I think he's going to be a good match for this. 40. Have my doubts about the 40. Ready, set. No, can't do it. So, yeah. My favorite. He will become the de facto gatekeeper. He will always be in the boot. I don't care. That car is too badass. Oh, he falls. No way. 87 to 92. Okay, Red just got a fresh layer of graphite. He needed a little help. Still can't do it. 88 to 91. Red's got to make up 3 points. It's going to warm up. Like that. Oh, Whitey got a bad jump. Do that one more time. See if Red can pull it off. Like that. Yeah, 91 to 99. Hell yeah. So, I wonder what Alante is rolling. That's my other de facto. Let's see if this Hong Kong got anything for him. Hong Kong versus Macau. Ready, set. Oh yeah, Macau. 1977. So that was just kind of weird. 77 kind of overshadowed the accomplishments of this little red Corvette, I think. No, apparently not. 80s. Oh yeah. Where's that 77 that Alante rolled? I want to know. That ain't it. 77 to 69. Okay, funky start. Let's roll against this Matchbox Supra. A few notches up. Yeah. I think the 260 is the race. Ready, set. Yeah. 60 got a bad start. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt. One more time. Tight. Yep, still smoked him. Still rolling at upper 70s. I think you can take Hans Mark II. Oh, doesn't like that shockwave. Try it one more time. No, can't do it. Not even close. 68. It's the green one. Furred, Johnny Lightning. A strange roller. A bipolar son of a bitch. Yep. Let's just scrap that whole thing. Enough of that noise. Enough of that noise. Gatekeeper. Bobby. Okay, here we go. For the wheel. Ready, set. Good race. Oh, Siku just barely. Swapping lanes. Siku by 2 points. I hate it when this happens. Ready, set, go. Bobby by 6 points. Rubber match. Bobby rolled a 70. Takes him by a couple points. Let's roll against the blue. Ready, set. Smokes him. Here we go. Kyle on the inside. Bobby number 2 on the outside. Ready, set, go. Good race. Kyle. Kyle by 2 points. Kyle moves to the outside with a 2-point advantage. Ready, set, go. That was a crappy start. Try that again. Smooth. 76 to 78. I think. Yep, that was Kyle. Well, was going to say, well, that's where Bobby goes, but he's got to beat Carter. Red Carter. Ready, set. Oh, Red Carter. That was close. Carter challenging up. Yes. Carter with a 1-point advantage. Ready, set. Yeah! Yes, he does it. Carter's after Dega. He just keeps getting faster. I don't get it. Oh, yeah, Dega's a stopper. Big time. Okay. Well, there you have the new version of the wheel. Where'd Bobby go? Right there. Right there. So the wheel is round. The wheel is tight. The wheel is faster than it was last week. Cool. Oh, Polizei is out again. He goes back over here. Poor guy, he's floating back and forth so much. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope to see you again next week. Peace, love, health, and God bless each and every one of you, which I appreciate greatly. Thanks so much for tuning in. Do it again next Saturday or thereabouts. Thanks, everybody. Good night. Somebody has to leave the boot. Oh, no. I'm going to give him one more shot. I think he can take the Supra. Yes, he can take the Supra. 76 points. Galante battling for his existence. Yes. Oh, no. It's not 6 points. 3 points. Ha ha. Baby Ruth is feeling frisky. Challenging up. Yeah. That was close. Nope, can't do it.